Okay, for this problem we have, it's actually asking us to look at two scenarios. You have a scenario where you're shooting a pellet gun that can fire at 30 meters per second, and in one situation you're going to shoot the pellet gun down, and in another situation you're going to shoot the pellet gun up, and it's asking you for what is the difference in the time it would take the pellet gun to hit the ground. So if we kind of draw this in a diagram using our 30 meters per second, like our two situations, shooting up, shooting down. Now to find the distance to find the amount of time difference between the two scenarios, you got to realize one thing. For when you shoot something up or you throw something up in the air, it's eventually going to come down. But if you ignore air resistance, it's actually going to come down with the same speed that it went up, meaning it's going to come back down with 30 meters per second. When it gets back to its starting point and starts pointing down in 30 meters per second, it's the same situation as before. So when you throw something up to 30 meters per second, it's eventually going to come down in 30 meters per second. So it's the same thing. The only difference is it takes a little bit more time because it has to come all the way up and then come down. So what we're really finding out is what is the amount of time it takes the pellet to come up and then come down in 30 meters per second, and then it's going to act identical to the green one, to it shooting down. So if we imagine the final velocity to be negative 30 meters per second, and because it's going to come back to the same height that it started, we can actually say that the displacement is zero, and we can calculate the time using a variety of equations. The main equation we'll use is just an acceleration equation, which is v final minus v initial over time, but be careful with the signs. The v final is negative, so it's going to be negative 30 minus 30 over 9.81. which would give us about 6.12 seconds. So it takes 6.12 seconds for the pellet to come up, come back down, and then continue moving. So then it will be identical to the green one. So there's a difference of 6.12 seconds. And that's it.